Hi guys, welcome back to AJ Room, and this is AJ. So today's video is really very interesting. So today's video is about, if you all seen the title of stuff, you all can know a crazy man, really a crazy man that live on earth. So we're going to see more details before we see the video. If you all never watched my 50th video, the official music video, link in description guys, just watch it. So before that I want to tell you just one thing. If you all can't listen my voice because it's here raining, so I need to talk a bit louder. So if you all can't listen my voice, I'm very sorry guys. So let's begin our video guys. So his name is Raymond Robinson. He's a male guys. So he born in October 1910 29 and he died in June 11 1985. So why I'm telling is a crazy man. So if you all see the image, you all really scared. So let's see more details. So we have to go, how did he get this injury? So let's go to his 9 years old. So when he was 9 years old, I think he was a great player. Don't know what he was playing, and there are some people telling he was playing football that in the road. So he found a nest. Okay, he don't know the time. So he just 9 years old, he playing with his friend. So while he playing, he saw a nest. I think he's a bird lover. So he saw a nest. So after he saw, he thought he wanted to go take, but at last his friend turned to one. So he keep on playing with friend, but after that he stopped. He bring his friend with him and he go climb the electric line. So the bird nest always many people thought in the tree or any branch of tree, but this time the nest in electric line which have volt of 1200 till 22,000 volt. So it's that electricity. So he stopped playing with his friend, he called his friend with him and climb up the electric line. That time he was just 9 years old, he don't know about many things. So he climbed the electric line and there was drainage, very watery, and that time was raining also. So he climbed with step the water and touched the electricity and he fell down with his friend. So two people fall down and straight away the fathers came, bring them to the hospital. After they bring them to the hospital, the doctors are checked and the doctors are telling to the father, to the both parents also, that your son are not going to alive. So they too was sad, the two father, the parents was so sad. But at last, less than 1 year, okay, the sad news is less than 1 year, Raymond friend has been passed away. So less than 1 year, Raymond has passed away, and many people can ask, where is Raymond? So Raymond has been survived. It's a very big medical miracle that Raymond has survived, because the doctors have told he can't be survived because it's a big high voltage electricity have been touch him, so he can't survive. But after he survived also, he has a big problem that he had no two eyes, mouth, and he doesn't have a right arm. So this is the biggest twist in his life, because he can't go out as normal. He knows after when he came out from the hospital, many people look a kind and telling that he looked like an alien, like a bad evil, because if you all see the image, you all can know you look like that. So after that, he started to live with his relative after his father have died. So after they two had died, he started to live with his relative. So with years going up, so in between his age, he started work with his relative, which sewing the doormat, creating a belt. So he have that talent all he doing with his relative, and he started to sell it with his relative. So he do all the thing with his relative, but he didn't go out at all. He just stay in home doing everything and just sell it, give to his relative to sell it, and he get the money. That his life keep on going, he was start boring, because the early years that he knows that his face was so terrible. When he go out, or the neighbors will see, they will ask many questions, and many people don't like to see his face and yelling about him that his face is so disgusting and many things. So he don't want to create a big panic, a big problem at the public. So he started to stay. But the years keep going on, right guys? So after the years keep going on, he was so bored. So he knew that if I go to in morning or evening, then only people watch. So he decided to walk. Okay, he decided to walk in night in a route where State Route 351. The route was called State Route 351. It's located in American Pennsylvania. So he's an American and he stayed in Pennsylvania. So he threw walk a long night. So he started to walk. Then only he could be more healthy. That he can make more healthy his body everywhere. So daily he started to walk in the road. So after he started to walk in the road, so that time was many tourism coming. The photos all are showing is the photo are taken by the tourists. So while he walking, he saw some tourists and the photo are taken by them. So from that only you all seeing is the image that how he look, how all. Then they discovered that a man are living here. So they started to discover many things from him, that how he get injury, how he survive many things. So after that he become famous and he start to walk daily night many things. So this is a real urban legend story, guys. So this is real urban legend story. So after he started to walk in the night, and after that he retired in the age 73, guys. So he had been live for 73 years. So after that he retired. Please resign is retired. He stay in with his relative in home, just relax walking. In 75 years, yet died. He passed away. Many big news company came and investigate, interview to his relative, that from where he come, anything, everything they interview to the relative, that how he get the injury, how. So from that it's a big outburst that we now know the Raymond Robinson, as a nickname, the Charlie No Face or the Green Man. So that's all it, guys. Today's video is very interesting video, I guess you all know. So if you all enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video. If you all like only, I'll do more happy with new videos, will be interesting to you. So if you all want to know my more new videos, just press the red color button which wrote subscribe. You'll get my more new videos, and don't forget to press the bell button. Press it all. It will give 3 options, so you all have to press the all, then only you'll get all my new videos. So if you all never watched my previous video, which is the officially music video, which without lyric, the 50th music video, 50th video celebration, link in description, guys. Just go watch it. So stay safe, stay home, be away from COVID-19, and now many news, disease, virus all are coming. So just stay home, because the doctors and more other company are searching for the vaccine. So if the vaccine are good, we can be more freedom. So for just a short period, we have to stay in home. After we go, the virus will be spread more, so we can't control. So thank you, bye bye, guys. See you guys in the next video.